Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Adrian here from My Dji Drones, bringing you another video. This is going to be a video regarding the DJI FPV drone. So far, I'm loving the drone. It flies and handles amazingly great. However, there's one thing that I do not like about it, and it's actually really pissing me off. Stay tuned for that. All right, so as you know, if you do buy the DJI FPV combo, it comes with the drone, your V2 DJI goggles, you get your remote control, and you get 2 sets of props. I did went ahead and bought some extra set of props for this one, and I have another one on the way from Amazon. I'm going to put the link in the description of everything that I pretty much have here. I also went ahead and grabbed me a set of ND filters, the Freewell ND Filters for the DJI FPV drone. So let me go ahead and get to the reason why I'm making this video. First of all, I do want to go ahead and ask you guys that if you're not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and consider doing so. I would really appreciate it. You like that video or you don't like that video, it really doesn't matter to me. Make sure you share it, share the love and support in the drone community. So basically, this is the problem that I'm having, and I'm not sure if a lot of you guys are having it or not, but it has to do with the power cable that plugs in to the headset and to the battery. I really don't know what the fuck is going on with this shitty ass freaking design. But DJI has made this design that you plug in the battery and you put the battery in your pocket. And this right here will plug in to the headset. Right here. That's how it goes. And then of course you put it on your head. Put it on your head. And then you put the battery with the cable in your pocket. Well, basically, this is the problem that I'm having. And again, if anybody out here is having the same problem that I'm having, please make sure you leave your comment on the section below. What I'm having is that you will power on no power to the goggles. None. The battery's on, because the battery, the last time I used it was still at 89%. That means I literally only used a notch of power from the battery from the last time. No power. And I want to go ahead and turn it off again. And try one more time. And I want you guys to see it. See if you hear the little sound that's going to make like it's trying to power on, but it's just not coming on. Let me try it again. Because you got to once, then you hold it down. Nothing. And I'm hoping that you guys heard that little sound like it's trying to power up, but it's just not doing anything. So I don't know if it's just this cable right here that's just messing up, again, from having it in my pocket right here, which I think is the crappy and shittiest fucking design of this drone. Matter of fact, I don't even know how the hell DJI still have cable on this fucking drone when on the other drone that I have for the DJI Mavic 2 Pro and the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom, I got the white, big, bulky DJI goggles, and it works through the AccuSync, which is fucking wireless. Why is it that with this one, you gotta have this crappy fucking wire in your goddamn pocket? And again, such a big, huge billion-dollar company that make all these nice, high-tech fucking drones, and we still got all this goddamn bulky ass fucking cable that we gotta put around a goddamn body, wrap around like we a fucking robot when you could just make it wireless. It's shitty. I'm actually very fucking disappointed. Don't get me wrong, the drone works amazing. I love the drone, but I shouldn't have to go through this fucking bullshit. Look at this. I'm gonna do it again. Now it came on, if you can hear it. Now you see that before it did not come on. Now you can see the DJI letter right there. After wiggling the cable, messing with it. Now I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get the battery, and I just moved it. Look at that, it went off. I just literally moved the cable right here. The battery's still powered on, but the fucking cable's right here. I just literally moved it on purpose. Because again, can you imagine if I'm flying this drone on normal mode, sports mode, or maybe acro, and the goddamn goggle just go out on me? If it wasn't for the oh shit button, which is the brake button, I would smash the goddamn drone if I panic into something and fuck it up. There you go. Again, that's the problem that I'm having. And again, for this company to be a billion dollar company, and you don't even have customer support available 24/7 for your fucking client, for your customers, it's fucking shitty, DJI. And I'm real fucking pissed. I'm really pissed the fuck off.